this imbalance here, unmitigated imbalance. So I was expecting that price was going to come up to mitigate these imbalances here. Here, a whole lot of imbalances. So when I saw this, I had to just wait for the market to react, and that happened on Wednesday, on the 7th. Yes, on the 7th. So I think I took this trade on 5th, on 5 minutes. Yes, took that trade on 5 minutes. Was that it? Okay, I took the second entry on 5 minutes. Yes, second entry on 5 minutes. And that 5 minutes, I already understood that the market has created a break of structure here. Market has already created a break of structure here. Break of structure here. Yeah, break of structure here, and break of structure here, and then leaving on 5 minutes. That was where I got my entry from. You can spot this other block here. So I waited for price to come there. So once I saw that, I took my trade. But I always like to get a candlestick confirmation, because candlestick confirmations are very important. All right, so you need to wait to understand what the market is trying to do, or to confirm if this other block is a valid one. Not all other blocks are valid. There are still ones that still takes you that the market mitigates and still go to your opposite direction. So you just have to wait to confirm if this market this other block is a valid one. All right, so on this trade I had to wait. All right, I have like 2 candlestick confirmations, which is this morning star here, or engulfing candle, whatever thing you call it. All right, or whatever thing you call it. So once I see this candlestick almost trying to close, I either wait for the close of this candlestick, or wait for the close of the another bullish candlestick there. So if I didn't take this trade here after the close of this, all right, if I didn't take it here, I will take it from here just after the close, and then keep my stop below here. All right, keep my stop below here, or right below there. So and then just target 1:2. But I did not do that. I already know that there is nothing that will take this market down. All right, I'm not being very sure, but I was just very sure about this one because of what the market has already taken the sell side, the higher time frames, the higher time frame sell side liquidity. All right, so I was very much comfortable about it, that this market is not going down. Whatever thing we will have to be looking for, this market is going up. All right, so once the market tapped to this other block, I bought. All right, so I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be on this video. So the market went up, kept my stop. Okay, I think kept my stop just around there, and then targeted for 1:2. That is it. So 1:2. All right, so this I took this on Wednesday by by London section by 11. That was it on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, is it on Thursday? I took this. So this was the one I shared in my Telegram channel. All right. So I always share trade setups in my Telegram channel for free. All right. So I share it from entries. Okay. So how did I spot this? How did I spot this particular trade? I went to my 15 minutes. It's my 15 minutes. I saw that market was already creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, and higher high. All right. I spotted that, and I spotted this liquidity here, and then a block on the 15 minutes. So immediately I saw this on the 15 minutes, I knew that the market was possibly going to come back to tap on it and then continue the sell. All right. Just you see the picture that you see on this video. You see that I actually spotted it right before this move happened. All right. And I shared it in my Telegram channel that we waited for market to tap into here before I took the trade. So now when the market tapped into here, I had to go down to my 5 minutes. Now this is where it's very much tricky. All right, because sometimes the market might wick me out. All right, the market might wick me out and then continue in the direction. All right, so this is where I had to wait for my candlestick confirmation. I have two, or rather three types of candlestick confirmation, but I majorly use just one, which is immediately market touch to my point of interest. What I do is I wait for a bullish confirmation, a 3 candle bullish confirmations. Once I see that 3 candle bullish confirmations, I take the trade, just like it happened here. All right, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So immediately I saw this 3 candlestick. All right, I got in, but I actually got in very late, I guess. Yes, I got in very late. Because I missed this. And again, if you look very closely, you can spot what we call the head and shoulder pattern, which can represent a continual or a reversal pattern. All right, so it can be a continual or a reversal. So I spotted this, and I knew that the market was already giving me a signal that okay, we are ready to go. All right, so immediately I saw this, I took the trade just right after the formation of this bearish candle. The black candle is my bearish candle. So after the formation of that, I took the trade. Okay, so I'll also pop the result here on this video. Then just to catch on 1:2. Sorry, I did not keep my stop loss here. I think I kept my stop loss around here. Yes, kept my stop loss because I only target 1:2. All right, and I did expected this price to do this. All right, to pump this far, and it pumped just in one day. It paid me sharp. It pumped just in one day, So we missed. It did around, I think is 1:8, 1:9, I guess. Let me see. As 1:10. Did like 1:10. This was a whole lot of money. Missed just like that. But it's always good to just stick to your plan anyway. You get. So it was very good. And when you have rules, it will also help you to know what you're doing in this market, because if you're not following a rule, it just be like you're just floating on the water. Okay, so it's always good to just follow your plan and your rules. So then this, I also shared this in my Telegram channel. I shared it. How did I get this trade? I already knew that the market was coming for this trend line. Let me go to the daily so you can see this trend line. This is the trend line here. The first point, the second point, and then I knew that the market was coming for this third point. So I expected price either to react from here and sell down or break out of this point, because this is the third touch on this trend line. So now going down to the 15 minutes. So immediately I saw this on the 15 minutes, just like what I saw here, just similar to what I saw here. I saw that other block here. You can see it. So I was expecting price to come here and then continue buying. All right, but this is what I saw. I saw the break of structure, another minor lower high here, which I okay, wait, I think we'll see this more clear in 5 minutes. So the higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So I spotted this as my liquidity area, and then the other block here. So I expected price to come down here, but I wasn't so sure of this liquidity. Yes, I wasn't so sure of this liquidity because that was why I took this trade from here. All right, I took this trade from here, and I had to tell the people in my community to close the trade. So for transparency's sake, I left this chart here. All right, for transparency's sake, and I also pop the results on this video for you to see, because I took a loss there. It's not like I didn't wait for price to close. Low. We could be change to go quack or chago white. So I didn't wait for price to get to this stop loss. So I had to close just around. Immediately I spotted price coming down here. So I wasn't so comfortable with the candlestick formations. All right, so it was very chubby for me. So I had to close and tell the people in my community to close. All right, so I'll just pop the results so you also see for transparency's sake. All right, so then